Hello guys, this is Hasan and welcome to my channel PotatoPC. Today in this video I will show you a very easy way to change this kind of images background color. Even you don't need to use any kind of pen tool or selection tool. So let's get started. First, we have to open this image in Photoshop. To change the background color, we need a hue and saturation adjustment layer. If we change the hue, you can see that the background color is changing. But here is a problem. Our face is also affected by the hue. That's why our face color is also changing. To avoid this, we need to select the man. To select the man, we have to go to select and subject selection. Voila, our man is selected. Now we can delete the hue effect from the selected area. You can see there are some hue affecting this area. We will manually remove it. Now, if we change the hue, you can see that the background color is changing. I will show you another method which is very simple and easy. Again, we will create a hue and saturation adjustment layer. You can see a hand icon in this hue and saturation layer. If we select this hand icon, we will get a color picker. Let's pick color from our background. Now, if we change the hue, you can see the background color is changing, but this is also affecting the face. Let's fix this issue. You can see there are some sliders in this hue and saturation layer. If you adjust this slider, you can see that the pink color is no more in the face. Using this method, we can change this kind of background very easily. But you have to remember one thing. If you have a very complex background with lots of colors, this method may not work properly. As it is a new channel, I need a lots of support from you. Your support will encourage me to create new videos. If this video helps you in any way, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.